Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be analyzing Meta platforms, Bitcoin and Tesla. We will see where they might move over next weeks. Please subscribe to our channel to receive our trading signals on stocks, cryptos, forex and commodities. Then you can join us at patreon.com/financial trading academy. Disclaimer, we trade on our own. We don't take responsibilities for your trading. Let's start with Meta platforms on a weekly basis. In the upper section we see the price, while beneath we find two cyclical indicators. So what we see here is that Meta platforms is worth 209 US dollar right now as of 25th of April 2023. Yet we believe that Meta platforms is going to move downwards over next weeks. Now, in terms of long-term strategy, we have detected a big increase in terms of volume, so a point of control around 100 US dollar. So in other words, we expect now Meta platforms moving downwards till the area between 140 150 US dollar over the next weeks. Actually, we believe that 140 150 US dollar will be a very strong area from where buying Meta platforms, and the reason why we might want to buy Meta platforms into at the end of 2023 and then during the 2024 is because we see here, analyzing the cycle, the red curve crossing above the azure one. Okay, again, we believe that Meta platforms is going to move downwards over the next weeks. So short strategy, we see Meta platforms going to move till 140 150 US dollar, from where we believe that the buyers will be back in place, and again we will be seeing Meta platforms at the end of the year moving higher. That's the analysis for the daily, for the weekly chart. For the monthly chart is a completely different situation, because Meta is now inside a multi-year downtrend. Let's move on. Let's analyze Bitcoin. As we can see here, we have the daily chart. We have detected the higher highs and higher lows. We do expect Bitcoin, given several divergences that we have detected, moving downwards, still testing the area between 23 and 24,000 US dollar, probably even 25,000 US dollar as an extension. In fact, if we analyze the daily cycle, we see that we are in the upper part, in the upper phase of the curve, of the Gauss curve. But if we analyze the weekly chart, we are actually strongly bullish on Bitcoin. We have been stating several times that we believe that Bitcoin has started a new bull run as of November 2022. So again, over the short term, we should be expecting, or at least we as a Financial Trading Academy, we expect a movement downwards till testing the 24,000 US dollar. From there, we're moving up. Again, with the in our previous videos, we have said that we were expecting a rebound around 27,000 US dollar. We clearly said that after testing the 27,000 US dollar, Bitcoin was not doomed to move downwards immediately after. Okay, so we see a rebound with a possible extension till 34,000 US dollar, but then the time will be mature to actually a movement downwards till the aforementioned area. Now, if we analyze Bitcoin on the weekly chart for the next months, we see that actually we are at the bottom of the curve. The red one is almost crossed above the azure one. But if we analyze here the Magnus cycle, we see that the white curve has already bottomed out at around 15,000 US dollar. Now let's move on. Let's analyze Tesla. Tesla is a similar chart to the Bitcoin one, yet is much weaker than Bitcoin. In fact, while for Bitcoin we see a brilliant end of 2023 and then a great 2024, we cannot say the same for Tesla. As you can see here, Tesla has recognized the oblique resistance and now is moving downwards again. We actually believe that probably we are going to test the area around 130 US dollar for Bitcoin. Now, if we analyze here the cycle, we see that we are still inside the descending phase of the Gauss curve, and normally when that happens, the final part of the descending phase is always the strongest one. Okay, so very interesting will be the rejection of the 130 US dollar area, so we will be monitoring very carefully the 130 US dollar area, because if Tesla will be able to hold that area, actually then in that case for the very first time since the end of the 2021, a new series of high highs and higher lows. So 130 US dollar will be a crucial area to be monitored. Okay guys, if you want to receive our trading signals, our newsletter, and our signals derived by our expert advisor, then you can join us at patreon.com/financial trading academy. Thank you guys.